At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a storage unit business can be a lucrative venture if done right. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Understand the market demand for storage units in your area. Look at factors like population density, demographics, and competition. Research zoning laws and regulations related to storage unit facilities in your locality. Create a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals, target market, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. 2. Choose a location. Select a strategic location with good visibility, accessibility, and sufficient space for construction or renovation. Consider proximity to residential areas, commercial centers, or major highways for convenience. 3. Secure financing. Determine the startup costs, including land acquisition, construction, permits, insurance, and initial operating expenses. Explore financing options such as loans, investors, or partnerships to fund your business. 4. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Obtain all required permits and licenses to operate a storage unit business in your area. This may include building permits, zoning permits, and business licenses. 5. Design and construction. Develop a detailed plan for the layout and design of your storage facility, considering factors like unit size, security features, and office space. Hire contractors and construction professionals to build or renovate the facility according to your specifications. 6. Security measures. Install security systems such as surveillance cameras, access control systems, and adequate lighting to ensure the safety of stored belongings. Implement security protocols and procedures to prevent theft, vandalism, and unauthorized access. 7. Marketing and advertising. Develop a marketing strategy to attract customers to your storage facility. This may include online advertising, signage, direct mail campaigns, and partnerships with local businesses. Highlight key features such as climate control, 24/7 access, and security measures to differentiate your facility from competitors. 8. Set up operations. Hire staff to manage day-to-day operations, including customer service, maintenance, and security. Implement an efficient system for leasing units, collecting payments, and managing tenant accounts. Invest in software or management tools to streamline operations and enhance customer experience. 9. Customer service. Prioritize excellent customer service to build a positive reputation and encourage repeat business. Offer flexible rental options, responsive support, and proactive maintenance to satisfy tenants' needs. 10. Regular evaluation and improvement. Continuously monitor and evaluate your business performance, including occupancy rates, revenue, and customer satisfaction. Seek feedback from tenants and make necessary improvements to enhance the overall experience and profitability of your storage unit business. Starting a storage unit business requires careful planning, investment, and dedication, but with the right approach, it can be a rewarding venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.